Candy Heart Beard Balm. If you don't know what candy hearts are, they are an absolute staple in English sweet shops, which pretty much don't exist now because Amazon destroyed every small little sweet shop, and yeah, wow. Oh, those were the days of being a child and going to get sweets at a shop. Balbo Beard Co. We've discussed them before on this channel. They're one of the best, simply one of the best at making beard balms, and this beard balm's no different, apart from the scent. It smells like candy hearts, or sort of candy necklaces. There were these stringy necklaces that have little beads of sweets around that you can nibble off. And oh my, they're just so good, just so good. And this beard balm is just another fine example of a wonderfully blended scent. This beard balm smells exactly like the sweets do. I got so nostalgic when I put this beard balm on, and it's very sweet and very, yeah, just sweet and sugary. Sweet and sugary. Oh, I need a hit. Oh, yes. Honestly, it's so good that I think I could just eat this beard balm. The scent is that realistic to those old sweets that I used to try. So it's a wonderful example again from Balbo Beard Co. That they keep showing that they're simply one of the best product manufacturers for our wonderful beards that exist worldwide. So the product is a blend of shea butter, organic beeswax, hemp seed oil, argan oil, and perfume, fragrance oil for the candy hearts. I tell you what though, Balbo usually only make natural based products from essential oil, so they don't use fragrance scents. This fragrance scent beard balm from Balbo is simply divine, incredible, sugary, sweet, delicious, reminds me of when I was a kid, and nothing beats that feeling of when you were a kid. It's just a wonderful time, and this brings back so many memories. It's a wonderful balm, definitely check it out. Link in the description with a discount code. Go and get a discount from them, try it out, have some fun. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.